Hello, Year 11, and welcome to your second video here for this first topic, formula and equations. We're looking at expanding expressions. Now, in our previous video, we were simplifying expressions. We did that by doing things like simplifying, collecting like terms, by multiplying terms, and by dividing terms. We're kind of doing the opposite now. We're going to sort of make our expressions a bit bigger. Yes, we might simplify them afterwards, but what we're going to do here is we're going to remove any grouping symbols. These may be brackets, braces, parentheses. They all mean slightly different things, but just stick with brackets for the time being. And we have this thing called the distributive law, which you may or may not have heard of before, that tells us essentially that if I have this sort of an expression with A outside of B plus C, then that's equivalent to, that's the same as A times B plus A times C. Multiply what's outside the brackets by each term inside the brackets. Yes? I'm sure you've done that before. Let's just have a look at a simple case here. Expand 3x outside of 4 minus 2x. So 3x times 4 is 12x. Yes? 3 times 4 is 12, the x. Now, 3x times negative 2x. Remember, multiplying terms, we multiply the coefficients. So that's 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. My equals sign is a little bit dodgy there. So I've got negative 6 and then x by x. Right, we add the exponents, but that's a little bit tricky here because they're both hidden, they're both secret ones, but nonetheless, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we've got 12x minus 6x squared. That is expanded. There are no more brackets. Now, for example 5, as promised, sometimes we might expand and simplify. We're going to do that here. Don't try to do everything at once here. Okay, so yeah, take a few steps. It's nice working. So x times 3 is 3x. X times negative 5y is negative 5xy. Yes. Now this is a real trap where you have a negative outside a set of brackets that has a negative inside it. Oh, so many people will get tangled up and sort of get those negatives mixed up. Be so careful when you see this. Negative outside and a negative inside. So this is the same as saying negative 1 times these. So negative 1 times xy is negative xy. Negative 1 by negative 5x is plus 5x. Oh, it is so easy to just do that and go, oh yeah, minus 5x. Okay, be so careful there. Because of course a negative times a negative is positive. Now we have expanded, done. Simplify, not done yet. 3x, any like terms? Not this because of the y or that, but 3x plus 5x equals 8x. Now, negative 5xy minus xy, right, is subtract another. Negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6 minus 6xy. There we go. Expand and simplify. That is our second video here, expanding expressions. Expand means to remove the grouping symbols. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in class.